In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all account on Microsoft Authenticator. If you need to completely clear out Microsoft Authenticator so it's empty again, you're essentially resetting the app. Before we do anything, a very important heads up. Removing accounts from Authenticator is permanent, and there's no undo. Once they're gone, the app can't generate sign-in codes for those accounts anymore. Make sure you still have another way to sign in, such as text message verification, backup codes you've saved elsewhere, or another authenticator device. If you use work or school accounts, be aware that an administrator may need to reactivate your login after you remove them from your phone. Let's start with the fastest method, which wipes everything at once on Android. On your Android phone, open Settings, then go to Apps. Find Microsoft Authenticator in the list and tap it. Next, tap Storage. You'll see the option to clear data. Tap Clear Data and confirm. That's it. This instantly removes all accounts from the app and returns it to a fresh state, just like it was the first time you installed it. When you open Authenticator after this, it won't have any accounts configured. This approach is best when you're preparing a device for someone else, troubleshooting issues, or starting over from scratch. Again, only do this if you're confident you won't be locked out of important accounts afterward. If you prefer not to do a full reset, you can remove accounts one by one inside Microsoft Authenticator. Open the app, tap the account you want to remove, tap the settings gear, choose Remove Account, and confirm. Then repeat the same steps for each remaining account until the app is empty. This manual approach is slower, but it's useful if you want to double-check each account as you go or keep a few accounts while removing others. If your goal is to remove everything, just continue repeating the removal process until no accounts are left. A few final reminders to keep you safe. After you remove all accounts, you won't be able to use Authenticator to sign in unless you re-add those accounts later. If you haven't set up alternatives like SMS verification, printed backup codes, or another authenticator on a different device, you may get locked out. And for work or school logins, your IT team may need to reactivate your access once you've cleared the app. That's all you need to know to remove all accounts from Microsoft Authenticator quickly and safely.